Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal and outer waters from Sandy Hook to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, until noon. At 10:34 a.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 12 nautical miles south of Shark River Reef near Axel Carlson Reef, moving north at 10 knots. These storms have a history of producing waterspouts earlier this morning off of Long Beach Island. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The severe thunderstorms will be near Axel Carlson Reef around 11:15 a.m. Point Pleasant Beach around 11:25 a.m. Mena Swan Inlet around 11:30 a.m. Secret Reef and Shark River Reef around noon. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.